Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for today's look. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So as you guys can see, I have done my right eye. Now I'm going to do my left eye with you guys. So for my brows, I haven't used any brow product. I have only used a soap because soapy eyebrows are so much in the trend these days. I'm going to use a soap. This is a Pears soap and this is very cheap and easily available everywhere. And we're going to need a setting spray. I'm using Urban Decay's All Nighter. And all you're going to do is spray on the soap. Don't use any other spray. I have always used this. I haven't used water, so I'm just going to take a spoolie and drop it on the soap so you can get all the product on the spoolie, and you got it. I'm not sure. And then we're just going to hotly, zabardasti. We're just going to push them up like that. And I'm going to spray my soap again because it's dried and rub it. And once you do that, like all the eyebrows from down are going up, we have lots of space. And now you're just going to do this, and that's it. Easy peasy. Yeah, that's it, I guess. You don't want them to look like twins, just sisters. Yeah, I'm almost done. Already prepped my eyes using Fenty Beauty's concealer. This is in the shade 190. I like to go in with the lighter shade because it picks the shade nicely. So for today's look, I'm going to use Morphe X James Charles palette. This is absolutely stunning palette, and I guess everyone should have it because it have all the funky shades and all the glam shades you need for everyday look, or for that I'm kind of looking for funky looks. And I absolutely like it. I love the highlighters. All the shades have so much great pigmentation. Absolutely stunning and love it. So eyes are done. Like, we just need to put some lashes. Use the Candy Mink lashes. I will put the link in the description box, so it's easy for you if you want to buy it. I'm not using this one because I already have. I'm going to use in the number 37. So let me just quickly put it on and then I'll come back. By the way, I'm using my favorite eyelash glue. This is the Duo, and this is definitely one of the best lash glue. It dries in like within 15. I'm just applying. This dries up within like 15 seconds and it doesn't come off. I'm going to apply my essence. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. So as you guys can see, the struggle to put the eyelashes, it's on now. So I'm just going to do quickly my face and then come back to you guys. So the look is all ready. I'm just going to apply my lip gloss. I'm not going with any lipstick. I'm using my Fenty Beauty's Fussy. So you did it. The look is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys can follow me on my Instagram. I will put the link down in the description. And I will see you guys next time with a new video. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.